In this tab, you can manage all the information regarding reports of the app. Each record has a specific maintenance in which you can edit, preview, and delete the report. You can create a new report by clicking on New. Fill the report title. Select a main model and the related models. You can enter a report description. In the fields of the report, you can select all the fields you want in the report. In filters, you can find the query criteria for the report. It can be rearranged, selecting order by, and sort by ascending or descending. Also, filters can be personalized by adding a condition. We can click on Preview Report to see a preview. And we can proceed to click on Save. Each record has a specific maintenance that you can edit. You can modify the fields of the report. The Preview button allows you to download the report in the formats of PDF, CSV, or Excel, and you can also delete the report. There is also a search functionality for this model, in which you can enter any of the fields that are included at the time of creation. As shown, it filters by matches within the report model.